Hi guys, it's me back again with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your Navy Federal account. So for this, first of all, open up your Navy Federal app on your mobile device, and as you open up the app you will land on an interface like this where you'll have to enter your username and your password in order to sign into your account. But since you've forgotten the password to your account and are trying to recover your account, tap on sign in help option. After you tap on the sign in help option, you can simply tap on the continue button, and as you do so, the first thing you have to do is select either your card number or your account number. So I'm just going to tap on credit card, and after doing that, enter the credit card number in this section, enter your date of birth here, enter the social security number here, and then tap on continue. Once you do so, after a certain while you'll be allowed to change the password to your account, and once you set up a new password you'll be directed towards the same interface where you can enter the same old username and the new password for your account. Tap on the sign in button and then you'll be able to recover your account. So this is how it works. I hope that with the help of this video you'll be able to recover your own account. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get reminded every time that we come up with a new tutorial video. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.